We believe that design should be a blend of function, comfort, lifestyle, and visual attraction, all tailored to reflect the owner's personality. We took inspiration from two contrasting scenes, a beautiful bar lounge indoor matched with a lively barbecue store. The goal is to create a dynamic and versatile space where these two different moods can exist and integrate seamlessly, whether it's day or night. The large format slabs from Hafary are a perfect fit for the concept, as these materials are both versatile and suitable for outdoor use. At the bar area, it is also used on its countertop with a waterfall edge. This indoor bar flaunts glossy Yamuna slabs from Florim stone to create a sophisticated look. It's been a rewarding journey working with Hafary. Their diverse tile selection and large format slabs has enabled me to create distinctive designs, and they have always been delivering high quality and excellent service that never disappoints.